Today we're going to be planting a couple of wonderful trees. This one is a maple tree. It's a silver variegated maple, and it has white tips around the edges. And the stats on this one are Zone 4. The height is 35 foot tall, and it spreads 25 foot wide. And this one I'm really excited about is the Northern Catalpa. It has huge heart-shaped leaves, and it'll get beautiful white flowers. And the zone on this is 4, and the height is 60 feet, and the width is 30 feet. These are going to be amazing. Anyways, come with me as we plant them. Right here? Oh no, the peach tree's there. Look at the rhubarb coming up. We'll have to move that. Maybe right here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. Yeah, today's a bad day. Maybe. It started in the house, so. So right where that broken one is, let's try that. That looked good there, eh? Yeah, I think so. Okay. It's planted there. Daisy, come here, hon. It gets pretty wide, but it won't get wider than that. And the shade will go, because the sun rises over there, so just, you know, won't really shade that. Yeah. This is not going to be as easy digging. No. Not for me. Not a very good circle. It's like an oblong. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Here, we'll put that in. I don't think we need compost in this because this is compost. And I think, you know, there's a root there, but we can just pile some dirt up on it. So how is it? Good. Jeff, go for the other angle. No one wants to see that mess. Huh? You're nice, Bum. I'm just going to put this right in here. Here, go ahead. Stick it in. It's heavy. There we go. My husband and I are very excited to get these trees in and growing in the early spring. If you've enjoyed this video, why not consider subscribing, liking, or sharing this video? It really helps my channel grow. Thank you. Bye.